Alright, $100 in. Cost me $60, whatever this is going to be. Oh, give me the bull rush. There we go. Just like you ask and you get it.
Bull rush!
Take that $20 coin, right? Okay, I'm just going to keep this speech on. I'm not piking it, trust me. Now the reason is, when I get up, more and more, I like to keep it. Look, remember this is the second time of the day, guys. Look at this. That's the second time today. Just thought I'd come and have tea and what's going on. Cost me $60. It brings me up to 4. Is that going to get me to 4? Oh. Won't hit. How? Really? Taking an hour over 4. An hour over 4, 3, 2. And that was 4. Okay, just taking it. I'm not greedy. Even though I said I wasn't going to do it, I did it. I can't help myself. Anyway, done.